What's up, y'all boys? This is Apollo Rider. But today we're working on the ATV. The solenoid, I believe, went bad. The solenoid, whatever it's called, it went bad, I believe. So right now I took out the battery and took it off. I thought it was the starter, but it might not be the starter because as I can see this chain, I would have to take this off. C-clip off of here. If that didn't slide out, maybe it had enough tension to slide out, I don't know. But yeah, the solenoid and the new starter should be here in like a couple hours, but for right now I'm taking off the solenoid and just getting it prepared to drop everything back on. Yeah. Let's take off these two bolts right here. I'm gonna do that for y'all right quick. Alright, now that you got these off of the solenoid from here and here, all you gotta do is follow the whole solenoid itself. It's gonna be like 3 wires, the black and red, and then another black 4 one going straight into this. So follow that all the way over here, go through here. Actually hooked up to the front. Holy crackers. Right there, but this is the solenoid and this is the other end. This is a 2-prong. The color is yellow and pink and an orange one. So I'll show you up under here. It's hard to find, but basically it's way back. Is this one right here? Oh, right here. It's hard as hell to find. It's just 2 prongs. But on this bike, it's like way up under the front end. It's like real hard to get to. But yeah, once the starter comes, drop it in and we should, not the starter, the solenoid come, we should drop it in and it should start right there.